guys, can we have a minute of you? Yeah, so
Alam niyo na ba yung nangyari dun sa Daddy Miss Wendy? Yun, so diba, he died daw last night. So parang, we decided to, collect money to help the family of Francis, Frederick, and Frederick. So, we're asking for your voluntary contribution for...
So, hindi naman siya compulsory. Any amount will do.
Yeah.
Just to make our share to the bereavement of the Galapon family.
Go first.
Bigay mo na lahat.
Francis, bigyan mo ng 1,000. 1,000.
Ikaw, magbigay kayo ng 1,000,000. Bibigay ko Francis ng 1,000,000.
Gulog ako sa libo.
Tayo na ba tayo?
Bakit? Ako rin nakala.
Cor, ito pa.
Ay, wala na po ba?
So, thank you, Ernesta. So, I hope we extend our prayers na lang to the bereaved family of Galapon. So, yun, thank you.
Ilan na naman?